Limited inventory and multiple offers and bidding wars are still happening. Of course you're nervous about selling your home. You may be wondering if you'll be able to find a replacement home, or what if you sell, where would you go? What would you do if you couldn't find a home? Maybe you're curious, if you couldn't find a home, what are some things that you can do? I totally understand. I speak with many sellers who have the very same concern. Of course you're nervous. It's your home. It's where you live. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, eXp Realty, and I help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. The good news is there are solutions, many solutions to this in fact, but what I found while meeting with so many families is that the circumstances of your unique situation will determine the best course of action and strategy that I can advise on what you should do. I need to understand your timing, whether you're moving locally or out of the area, or if you have a temporary rental. Are you looking for a bigger home or downsizing? The bottom line is that coming up with a strategy really differs from family to family and what someone's unique situation is. With my extensive experience helping many homeowners just like you, the good news is that I have solutions for just about any situation. So call me and let's talk about it. I'm a seasoned East Bay expert with a 5-star rating. I'll help you navigate the market and make it happen, whether that's selling or buying or both. And ask me about my home selling plan. I took the pain out of negotiating with a realtor and made it super simple. Really, choose silver, gold, or platinum, pick your plan, and pick your price. Terms do apply. I'm Tanya and I sell homes. Let's get you going. Call me today.